Hi guys, I'm MohanShashank Reddy. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to change your YouTube channel name in your desktop or laptop within a couple of minutes. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first step is to open the browser what you have, either Google Chrome or Firefox. Then you have to type youtube.com on the search engine which is at the top. Then you should click on your channel logo which is at the top right corner. Not this one, but this. You'll see a bunch of options if you click that. You should click on your channel tab which is right over here. And you will be redirected to your YouTube channel's dashboard like this one. And then you should select an option called Hey, wait a minute. Did you give this video a like? Come on, hit the like button right now. You should select an option called Customize Channel. And this is the page where you can customize your YouTube channel. To change the name, you should select Basic Info. And you can change your YouTube channel's name as well as the description of the channel right over here. You should click on the pencil icon to edit your channel's name. After clicking the pencil icon, replace the old text with the new one. You may also edit the description of the channel at the same time. Wait, are you enjoying this video? If you are seeing value in this content, then do hit the subscribe button if you didn't and activate the bell icon for more videos like these. After editing the text, click on the publish button which is here. And it pop-ups a message like changes published. Then it is better to close the running tabs and refresh the browser. So I close them and I again type youtube.com for verification. Let me check. See, boom, the name has been changed. So this is how you can edit your channel's name. That's it for this short tutorial. I will be back with another short tutorial on how can you change your YouTube channel name in your mobile device. Thank you very much for watching. Stay home, stay safe. Have a great day.